Say hello to the surprise comeback of the decade. The all-new 2025 Subaru 360 van is here, and it's nothing like you remember. Once a microcar legend, Subaru has brought back the 360 nameplate in a bold, reimagined van that blends retro charm with futuristic innovation. At first glance, the 2025 360 van stands out with its nostalgic, boxy silhouette, paying homage to the original while embracing a fresh, modern twist. Smooth LED light bars, clean geometric lines, and soft rounded edges give it a unique presence on the road. It's compact, quirky, and incredibly stylish. With a floating roof design, two-tone paint options, and minimalist alloy wheels, it's clearly built for those who love to stand out. But don't let its size fool you. This little van packs some serious punch under the hood. Powered by Subaru's new hybrid electric powertrain, the 360 van comes with a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine paired with a compact electric motor, delivering a combined output of 138 horsepower. It may not sound like much, but in a vehicle this light and nimble, it absolutely zips through city streets with surprising agility. The CVT transmission keeps things smooth, while Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive ensures confident handling in all weather conditions. Yes, even in snow. It grips the road with a confidence most microvans only dream of. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that's all about smart space and subtle luxury. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and ultra-modern seating give it a surprisingly upscale feel. The driver's seat is elevated just enough for excellent visibility, and there's plenty of legroom and headspace despite its compact footprint. The tech setup is equally impressive. A crisp 10.1-inch touchscreen sits front and center, featuring Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and even over-the-air updates. You also get a fully digital driver display, a wireless charging pad, and multiple USB-C ports to keep everyone powered up on the go. Where the 360 van really shines is in its innovative features, like the Magic Slide rear seats that glide effortlessly to reconfigure your space, or the Smart Park Assist that handles tight parallel parking with ease. There's even a panoramic glass roof that opens up the entire cabin with natural light, making every ride feel more open and airy. From school runs to weekend escapes, this van is designed to make every journey fun, practical, and eco-friendly. The 2025 Subaru 360 van isn't just a reboot, it's a statement. Bold, clever, and packed with personality, it's truly a standout in today's crowded small van market.